My name is Sonny Roy, and I'm reporting and I'm raising many questions to all attorneys, our civil rights attorneys, to make sure that I understand this issue correctly. Those questions are following and concerning the 1964 Civil Rights Act. The first question that I have is whether this act was passed to ban segregation in the entire 50 contiguous states of the United States, or was it something else? As a citizen, there is something that is puzzling to me, for I was abused for more than 7 years. And then what I saw on that order is what prompted me to ask those questions. Is the state of Florida currently racially segregated? Or is the state of Florida under the U.S. Constitution as a desegregated state? May the governor, may the Florida bar, may the U.S. attorney, may the of the state of Florida, may all the U.S. general attorney, may all these individuals that are in authority help me understand whether the state of Florida follows the 1964 Civil Rights Act. The question is not who said what, but the question is rather, what does the law say to all of us? And that's very important to me, because once we start putting a face to the question and a name to the question, we begin to dodge the importance of the question. And I need feisty civil rights attorneys that can say, no, the state of Florida is or is not segregated and cannot be segregated, was never segregated, and there's no area that should be segregated. That's the issue before us today. It's not who said it, when it was said. All these things will come to light because all the records are clear. Right now is the state of Florida historically racially segregated? Is there any area of the state that is like so? And if it's so, do we promulgate this issue? Do we disseminate this information? Do we threaten people with that information? Do we place the country under fear with that information? If this is so, do we fix it or do we encourage it? That's the issue. It's not who said it. That's not the first issue. The first issue is, what does the law say? So my question to you, attorneys, lawyers, judges, justices of the South, does America have a law that says an area can be historically, racially segregated? That is the issue before us. And when you get this answer, please contact me, 301-957-8825, or through email, bestocome7@gmail.com, bestocome7@gmail.com. And then that way we can get to the bottom of this issue, and we can begin the talk to see what was wrong or what was right. May God bless this great country. May God bless the United States of America.